Let's get it. lildemontrap4 in this motherfucker, man. Hey, I grew up in the system, I grew up in the hood. I don't really give a fuck what's good, my nigga, don't play around. You might get dropped real quick. I don't give a fuck what a nigga gotta say about this and that. I swear to God, I put him in a headlock. They don't wanna go to war with me, cause you know I'm freestyle. Yeah, I'm in my microphone, rolling up my demons and my voices in my bucket head. Just to let you know, I put that in my bucket list. I ain't really scared of that. Fuck around, you might get trapped. I don't really give a fuck. Niggas say I cannot rap. Nigga, give a pussy, nigga. I don't really give a fuck what the other man say. What the fuck they want from me? I don't really wanna say. Just to let you know, I be my business, yeah. Fuck around, stay up in my and just to let you know, I stay fly as a bird. I don't really care what a bitch gotta say. Fuck a bitch, don't give a shit what a hater gotta think. What the fuck they want from me? They try to send me off, so I hit it with a toolie in my head. Please don't try, yeah, swag up a sir. You already know that's who I am. This the way I've been feeling when I'm walking. When I'm walking with my motherfucking flow. Hey, you talk that walking shit, cause you ain't know nothing to a real nigga like me. Better must believe me. Hey, I cannot believe what a hater gotta say to my fucking face. I move around. What niggas say they real, boy, they ain't really about no shit. Yeah, you can hear my diamonds are dancing. Hey, merengue, tú ya sabes muy bien. A mí que me importa que la gente hice por allí. Oye, tú ya sabes muy bien cómo va la vida por aquí, cabrona, y no se menta. Tú ya sabes, pa' carajo, arráncale. Hey, el motor como si fuera rum, rum. Tú ya sabes muy bien cómo va. Yo soy como una estrella por ahí, cabrón. Bow, bow, bang, niggas talking, niggas hating, but I'ma keep flowing on the instrumental. Oh, and I'ma keep explaining who I am. I don't care what the people want from me at all, so nigga, just stop it. Oh, I don't really worry, I ain't really tripping. If you ain't got no money for me to be speaking on the microphone, I won't even spit about, just to let you know. I ain't talk about 100, talk about like 200. Niggas talking, niggas hating, but they don't wanna go to war with me, cause they already know. I put a nigga under 6 feet, with the way he looking in my motherfucker way. Grrr, ay, pa' carajo, arráncale. Yo siento como el chapo.